Okay, Dad, we've swapped vehicles here. Just explain what we're looking at.
Well, we're looking at a Hilux that was sprayed with Lanoguard. I think it's more than 12 months ago. No, it's about 14 months, is it?
Yeah, it probably is
14
actually.
months
Yeah.
ago. And it's done over 12,000 miles. And it's done proper miles. It's been
In one
off-road.
winter.
Sorry?
One winter.
One winter, yeah. And it's been off-road and everything. And so far, from what I can see, this is very pleasing indeed. I had the misfortune of actually crawling under some vehicles that were 3 years old when I was looking to buy a new one the other day. And it was just quite incredible how relatively new vehicles are completely rusted. No, this is looking good, and particularly in this corner here, Byron, where you get a tremendous amount of splash going up there. Those springs and everything still look new. And at the top there,
It's only dirt that
that's
you're
only
seeing.
dirt.
Yeah.
Yep, it's only dirt. So that is pleasing, very pleasing indeed, because that's the expensive end of the motor car.
Like the only bits that I could see when I had a quick look under was just here. And this is because this is rubbed off because I've been driving off-road, so it's actually rubbed off with the grass, and I obviously hit some stone or something here. You can see the scratch mark actually,
That is excellent.
where it knocked a bit of the
That is
Lanoguard paint off.
Yeah.
But other than that, certainly in the front end anyway.
Wow. So far, very impressive indeed.
And you can actually still feel, like you can see, it's still on.
And you steamed this?
This is actually being steam cleaned, yeah.
That's
In
amazing.
preparation for us doing the respray today.
I can still feel it. It's very nice and sticky and tacky. You can hear it. And I think, wow, that is really impressive.
Okay.
Really good.